The MagnaFlow 53956 Catalytic Converter is a universal fit product that can be adapted to a wide range of vehicle makes and models, offering great flexibility and utility. It employs a durable stainless steel construction with integrated original equipment manufacturer like oxygen ports and sturdy hangers, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. The MagnaFlow Catalytic Converter has been extensively tested and certified to meet Federal Environmental Protection Agency emissions standards, demonstrating its commitment to environmental responsibility. Despite its universal fit, professional installation is highly recommended due to the need for welding, cutting, and tube bending equipment. At a price of $91.28, it comes with a 5-year or 50,000-mile limited warranty, offering worry-free ownership. The MagnaFlow 53956 has garnered a review score of 4.5 out of 5 based on 64 reviews, indicating high levels of customer satisfaction.